Hi guys, this is Ravi and you are listening to me on the Nifty BN channel. I am excited to announce that we are starting a new post-market analysis series where we would be analyzing the participant-wise open interest in equity derivatives and try to predict the market direction for the upcoming day. Want to meet like-minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community. For starters, there are basically four types of market participants: foreign institutional investors, also known as FIIs, domestic institutional investors, also known as DIIs, proprietary or brokerage firms, also known as pros, and finally, clients, that is, retail investors. And by gauging their day to day market activity, one can try and speculate their next move. So, without lingering on, let's jump straight to the topic. Now, let's look at each market participant separately. Let's start with the retail investors. Here, COI stands for change in open interest and POI stands for percentage change in open interest. A positive COI value indicates an increase in open interest for that day, while a negative COI value indicates a decrease. The formula for POI is COI divided by OI minus COI multiplied by 100. From the data, it looks like the retail investors are caught in a bearish mindset, as although they added 1866 net longs in index futures, they added net short positions in index call options, stock futures, and stock call options, and also added net long positions in index put options and stock put options. So, overall, they have a bearish outlook for the market. Now to domestic institutional investors. DIS too, like the retail investors, are caught in a bearish mindset. They have added net short positions in index futures, stock futures, and stock call options. Now to the key players, the FIS. It looks like the foreign institutional investors are outrightly bullish on the market for the time being. They have added net long positions in index futures, index call options, stock futures, and stock call options, and also net short positions in index put options and stock put options. So, as long as the FIIs continue to pump in huge amounts, we are not going to see a runaway kind of bear market. After a small correction from the lifetime highs of 15432 levels, we can now safely assume that the market appears to have posted a short term bottom at 14350 levels. And finally, to pros. The pros have added net long positions in index call options and stock call options, but added net short positions in index futures and stock futures. They have also covered some short positions in stock call options and stock put options. They too appear to be slightly bullish on the market. So, the takeaway for the last week would be that the correction has not been more severe and that we have seemed to have found a short term bottom at 14350 levels. So, unless it is taken out convincingly, further downside looks unlikely. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab, so do not forget to check that from time to time.